Okay, nobody would believe me if I told you, but there's a bird stuck in my car. I have no idea how it got in. Okay. Okay. Hey, birdie, birdie. It was in the... Oh, see, there. See it? Get out of my car. Get out of my car. No, no, the back door. The back door, bird. Get out of my... Here, oh, here, come on, get out. Come on, birdie. Come on. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Come on, out of my car. Out of my car, come on. Come on, come on. Yeah, come on. Please, oh God, it's gonna poop in my car. Come on. Come on, birdie. Oh. Come on, birdie. Come on. Come on, birdie. See if I scare him out. Go that way. Did he get out? Oh, God, there he went. Now I gotta get dressed to go to work and I'm running late. Oh, where's my... That was fun.